How to buy bread on Coinbase Wallet. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you buy bread on Coinbase Wallet. Now then, to do it so, you first of all make sure to watch this video right till the end. You need to start by downloading the Coinbase Wallet app from the official website or use your app store as well. Or once downloaded, you just need to follow the on-screen instructions to set it up your wallet as well. After which, you then need to go ahead and log into your account. And what you need to do is click on the arrow icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen and then go ahead and select the base. Once you've done it so, then you need to connect your Coinbase wallet to Uniswap by clicking on the connect button in the top right hand side corner of the Uniswap interface. Approve the connection request of your Coinbase wallet app to link the two platforms securely. After you've done it so, in the final steps of how to buy bread, after which you then need to go ahead and select the token, select bread, enter in the exact amount that you want to purchase. Then you want to confirm the purchase, review all the details, and you've successfully made it so. This is how you could buy bread on Coinbase Wallet. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.